Martha here with you today. I'm here to share a new mini album I created using the Prima Heaven Sent 2 collection. It's super cute, super vintage. It has all these adorable little characters in it and just very, very sweet collection to work with. So here is the book, and it is a 10 by 7 inch book with a 3-inch spine, and it is a really cool size. I haven't tried anything quite this linear before, so I really enjoyed it. So on the front here, there's just some of the papers from the collection. Some of them I distressed, some of them I didn't. This little fawn here is cut from one of the papers from the collection, just fussy cut out. This is a die cut from Lifestyle Crafts. This is a die cut from La La Land Crafts, and these are as well from La La Land Crafts. These letter stickers are from Kelly Perky, and I just put them onto a hand cut banner there. This beautiful chiffon ribbon is from Stampin' Up. They don't carry it anymore, unfortunately. It is really pretty. On the back here, there is just some more of the paper from the collection across there, just to kind of help secure that ribbon down. All right, so let's get into the book. Oh, and these little Brad stickers are from Simple Stories. I just thought they worked really beautifully with this collection. So on the front here, the front inside cover is just a piece of pattern paper from the collection, really beautiful. I just left it flat because this is quite a dimensional page here, so I didn't want that to kind of interrupt that. So to show you this page, I'll just fold this to the side. So it does open up like this with the ribbon and twine closure. So this flips down like that. So quite a big space here. So this is a huge space for a nice big photo. You could do a 5 by 7 photo right there. So I did something kind of a little bit different and interesting, I think, with the closure for my waterfall. I made it big enough to add a 4 by 6 photo here, so you can get even more photo space, which I think is great in a baby book. So it does have a magnetic closure. It folds down like this, and then there's another spot for 4 by 6 photo here and some of the pattern paper. And then the waterfall does have 8 flaps. You can add 8 photos, well, 16 front and back, and then there's another spot for a photo back here or some journaling or whatever you'd like to do there. So we'll flip it back this way now. Okay, so now page 2 is a big stacked envelope, or sorry, stacked pocket page. And I used the envelope punch board to create all my pocket chops here, the shape of them. So it does have 3 inserts, a larger, and then a medium-sized one, and then a small one over here. So that's adorable. And here I created a latch closure on my little gate folds. So I'll just take both the latches out. And so this one flips, I'll just put it to the side again for this page. So this one flips down and this one flips up. So you have space for 4 photos there. And then this one flips up again. So you have space for another 2 photos. And this one flips up again. So you have space for another 2 photos there. So I think that's really fun. I'll put the latches back in after. So then on page 3 there is a 4 by 6 photo insert in this pocket here. This is a cut apart from the collection right there. And then it opens like this and like this, so there's lots of space for photos. And I just did some simple matting with the white paper and the beautiful paper from the collection. It's really beautiful, and it is closed with a magnet as well there. All right, and then this page opens up like this, and then like this, and like this. So again, space for a lot of photos, just a lot of white mats in there, and they do all close with a magnet. And then turn it one more time. So this page folds up like this, and then it also folds down like that. So there's a lot of space for photos on that one page as well. And for the hinge method for this book, I did use the lay flat, because if I hadn't, by the time we got here, with how thick these pages are, it would be standing on end. So that's why I did that with this one. So on the last page here, there is a belly band, and the belly band is holding a nice big booklet to add lots of photos there. And then it has 2 tags in these 2 cute little pockets, so you can add some journaling there. And then these are cut apart from the collection as well. And then I've got another latch closure here, and this is the back cover, the back inside cover. So it flips open like this, and I will turn it to the side one more time. So this has 2 big tags here in these pockets here, again with the envelope punch board. So lots of space for photos here, and this is open so you can slide photos behind. And then it folds down like this, and there's more space for photos there. And then space for photos here. And then it flips up like this. And then there is a big waterfall here, and it's held closed with this insert and this little pocket down here. So the insert has room for photos on it. And then it does have 8 pages again, or 8 flaps for the waterfall. And then this just goes back in here to close it up, and then this folds down and that folds up. And then these pages fold in and the latch goes back in. So I really enjoyed making this book. This collection is just beautiful. I really, really like it. And I hope you like the book, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Thank you. Bye-bye.